This is in collaboration with my Adober family, my momshies, Joella, Chen, Jo, and Franzine. So if you want to know them, please do visit their channel. I link the information down in the description box. Then check their channels. Then subscribe. Then subscribe, of course. Hey, it's me Rachel and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will be having my 1,000 Divisoria challenge. Yes, I accepted that challenge, but then nagtagumpay ba ako, guys? Wala lang, out of nowhere, we decided to have this challenge. Actually, dati pa namin pinaplano mag-collab, pero hindi natutuloy because of our hectic schedules, different schedules. So, yun, we decided to have this challenge, guys, on our own. Hindi kami magkakasama when we go or went to Divisoria because of our schedule nga. So, yun. I'm with my nephew, si Ian. So, I know you are familiar with him na kasi I already have some vlogs with him. Yun. So, si Christian Sobilio ang aking kasama at he got some of the items some of the items, they are like cellphone case, yung very popular na ano yun, pop something din sa back ng cellphone. Yun, yung parang ring. Basta yun. Pop socket. Yun. I have some stuffs in here na talagang gustong-gusto kong bilhin and I'm very, very happy na nabili ko siya under 1,000 pesos. So, let's see kung nagtagumpay ako, guys. I think meron pa akong sukli. Pero, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, guys, these are the stuffs that I got from Divisoria. I have here my big tote bag with me. Tip, guys, you need to have this kind of bag when you go to Divisoria. Very convenient if you have this one para iwas wala din ng inyong mga pinamili, diba? Kasi hassle magbitbit ng maraming plastic, you know that, diba? Patang mga ganon. Ano pa ba? Be simple. Don't wear clothes na talagang uncomfortable, yeah. And then, of course, yung mga alahas, wag na wag, guys. Ito, hindi ko naman ito dala kanina. So, very simple lang ako. Nakachinelas lang ako, guys. Then, of course, body bag. Para aware din kayo sa mga necessary items or important items ninyo. Lagyan nyo lang yun sa bag. Then, of course, harap nyo lang. Para you're aware. Okay? Let's move on. So, ito yung mga nabili ko from Divisoria. And I'm very happy na nabili ko sila because I'm hunting some of the items here. Kaya I'm very, very lucky to have them under 1,000 pesos. So, ang dal-dal ko. Let's try to have a haul. I'll try to think kung saan ko sila nabili, guys. Sorry, pero I'll try my best na tandaan talaga sila, okay? Okay, first item in here is this cute headband na may pom-pom something here. Nakita lang ako, guys, and it has different colors. May blue, red, ano pa ba, white, black. So, ito yung pinili ko because ang cute niya and turno pala sa aking shirt. Yan. So, I got this one for only 60 pesos sa 168 ground floor. Ayan. So, if you enter the entrance, so, it's 999. Then, 168. Dun sa pinakadulo, makikita nyo yung tindera nito. So, 60 pesos lang siya. Pero, I don't know kung wholesale. Siguro pwede nyo siyang tawaran until 40 pesos. Next one is another headband. I got this one sa second floor naman. Here it is. So, wala lang. Nakita lang talaga ako, guys. Kasi, popular ito sa dito sa YouTube community. Kasi, some of the makeup gurus or wear this kind of headband when they have their tutorials. Yan. So, parang ang cute lang yan. Pwedeng bunny, then pwede mo siyang gawing ribbon. So, ang cute lang niya. So, ganyan lang siya. Itatay nyo lang siya. Here. So, itatay nyo lang siya pag gano'n. Yun lang. So, I got this one for only 80 pesos. Pero, pwede nyo siyang i-wholesale until 60 pesos or 50 pesos pa sa ganun. The next item in here is this one. Okay, ito yung wala lang. Nagustuhan ko lang siya kasi gusto ko talagang bumili ng new clothes. Yan, nakikita nyo. new clothes for our out of the country tour. Yes. So, parang nakita lang ako kasi I got this one na black naman. I already wore it sa Mix Music Awards, yung black. Sa Uniqlo naman namin nabili yun, pero syempre mahal doon. So, I'm very happy na nakita ko to sa, saan ko ba na nakita? 168. I think 168 dun. Nasa 168, parang near siya nung Micaela. 3rd floor, dun sa may food court. So, ito siya. Ito na siya. Yan. So, di ba uso to guys? Itong mga something ganyan-ganyan. So, and then, meron din siyang ribbon na ganyan. Maganda to pag naka-tuck in or pair it with black shirt na simple black shirt lang. Ganon, di ba? Ayan. So, I got this one for only 200 pesos and yes, I'm very happy to have this. Yan. Next item will be this. Okay. Nasabi ko na dati na magko-compare ako ng fake versus real na Miracle Sponge from Real Techniques. So, ito. Bumili ako ng fake. I got this one for only 60 pesos sa 168 ground floor. So, building B din siya. Dito, mabibili yung mga Taiwan lashes na 40 pesos lang. Pwede mo siya tawaran ng 40 pesos. Ayun. So, alam ko na siya. Pasilyo E siya ng 168 building B. Malapit sa 698 mall. The next item will be this. I think last two na to guys. Wala na ata. So, last items na to. I got this one. Ito talaga yung pinunta ko sa Divisoria. Pumunta doon. Kasi I need a tripod again. Kasi meron akong tripod dito, which is here. Ito yung ginagamit ko for filming. Nagamit yung aking phone. Why? Kasi hindi na siya naaalis. Yung pinaka-mount niya ayaw na maalis. Maybe because binasa ko to nung pumunta kami ng Cebu. Nag-underwater film ako. Doon, siguro nangalawang siya. Pero it's okay. Ito yung ginagamit ko for my phone kapag nag-film ako. And hindi ko na talaga siya maalis. Yun, you know what guys? Ang gamit ko ngayon is yung G7X. Wala akong tripod. I just use some of the dito para ipatong. Ayun, like iPhone box. And then yung box ko ng Morphe palette. Ayan, so yun lang. Yun lang, commercial. Ayun guys, so kaya ako pumunta sa Divisoria because of that. I need to have another tripod for my G7X and I got this one. So I'm very happy na nakuha ko to for a very low price. I got this one for only 200 pesos. Yeah! I'm very happy. Tip number 2. You need to go around. Look for things na talagang cheap. Kasi hindi mo masasabi. Kasi there's a lot of stores there na selling different things na kailangan nyo. At marami din na nandun lang sa bungad pero mahal. So you need to look around or to roam around. So you just need to be keen in terms of searching something. Kasi marami dun na very, very low price. Mas mahal kasi dun sa bungad, dun sa malapit sa entrance. So, you need to go inside talaga kasi mas marami dun na mas mura. Actually, yung original price ito is 250 pesos at 280 pesos. Yun, 280 pesos. Tapos, sabi ko, wala na po bang tawad? Sabi niya, 250 pesos. So, sabi ko, 200 na lang po. And then sabi niya, hindi pwede. Until 220 lang o 230 ata. And sabi ko, sige po, babalik na lang kami. And then sabi niya, sige, 200 na. Bibigay ko. Diba? Tip number 3. Kailangan yung magpa-hard to get. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, guys, you don't need to stick on one store and then bibili nyo na kagad yung item na nagustuhan ninyo. Ang daming store doon na nagbebenta ng different magagandang items, or kung gusto niyo talaga yon, marami rin yun sa ibang store. Kaya you need to look around, then see kung magkano yung mga binibenta nilang items. Just like this one. Kasi napagtanungan ko dun sa isa, 500. Napagtanungan ko dun sa isa, 600, 550. Okay, mahal. Here! So, this is the Pie Face Showdown. guys, marami na nag-challenge na ganito sa YouTube and we want to try that out. So, yan, binili ko to for a cheap price, guys. Some of the stores there, lalo na sa 999, napagtanungan namin yun din sa my entrance. 550 pesos. So, it's not that good. Other stores sell it for 580 and it's so pricey. So, nabili namin to, guys, sa 168 Building B. So, hindi ka na papasok ng mall. Dun lang sa bungad sa may entrance ng Building B. Makikita mo na agad to. Yes. So, nagbibenta sila ate doon. 350 lang to, guys. Compare sa other store na it sells 550. So, it's so pricey. So, ito, 350 lang at hindi ko na tinawaran. Actually, I tried. 250 na lang, sabi ko, 300, ganun. But then, ayaw nila. So, it's okay. Tatlong beses kang pumunta doon para lang tawaran, pero wala, ayaw talaga nila. So, 350, but it's a good deal, guys. Kasi, mahal sa iba, pero dun, 350 lang. So, I'm very, very happy at 2-face na siya, guys. If you are searching for a single 5-face, 180 pesos lang siya. Pag entrance nyo dun sa 999 mall, dun sa first store na makikita nyo, ay hindi, malapit, tapat nung Micaela sa 999 mall, dun 180 pesos lang yung single. Abangan nyo, guys, ang aming challenge using this 5-face showdown. And ngayon, kakalkulahin na natin kung magkano lahat ito, guys. Kasi, syempre, this is a challenge. We need to see kung magkano talaga sila lahat at kung napagtagumpayan ko ba ang challenge na ito. So, let's have my phone for my calculator. First, ito muna. Get 60 pesos plus 10 pesos. 60 pesos. Plus, ito, yung headband na 80 pesos. 80 plus this one. Yung parang long short. Close short. Because 200. 200. Sorry. For this one, take a look at the next one. She costs 60 pesos. Plus, this one costs 200 pesos. Plus, this one costs 350. 350. Equals, tan-tanan, 950. Yes, I know that. Right. I know right. So, 950 pesos, guys. And this is my change. 50 pesos. May pang tusok-tusok pa kami. Fishball, squid balls, something like that. Yes! Napagtagumpayan ko to, mga momshies. And syempre, I dare you to have this challenge on your own. Momshies, okay? Joella, Jo, Chen, and Francine. I'm very, very excited na makita mga bibilhin nyo under 1,000 pesos. 1,000 pesos. Basta 1,000. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video as I have fun filming it. And of course, have some shopping galore at Divisoria. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe. And of course, click the bell ring button for you to be notified every time I upload some new videos here on my channel. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And I hope I'll see you on my next one. Bye!